In this short video, I want to share with you about how to extract block from core points. We can see in this drawing, we have block by core point, and we want to extract block from this core point. And I click PT tool and click extract block and from points, and we can select on this drawing on of group or number, and we can choose setting extract block to current layer or point layer or the point style layer, and I click asset selection and I choose 3 point, and you can see the 4 point in this the compile point, and I click accept, and we can see the block created by core point after when using extract block from voice.